Good morning, students. Have you joined? Have you connected to me? Okay, thank you. Welcome to my class. This will be your conversation class, okay? It is dated at 7 November 2020. Just recall or remind I gave you something yesterday. Are you? That was the first pattern. I have given a few short questions, and thereafter I have given is it, are you, and is it. Okay, beta? And today I'm going to give is he, are, is she. Understanding? Are you understanding? Pay attention. Just open an English conversation copy. Do have pencil, sharpener, eraser, whatever you want, whatever you require while taking online class. You must keep all, okay? Now, let's start. Is he your father? Question mark. Is he at home? Is he well? Is he in? Is he at work? Here I'm making short questions about your father or about your dad. In other words, you can say here we are using is he. Structure or pattern is he. We are using. Well, children, we have to come forward. Our study are given. Is it? I have already given you. Now, is she? Is Is she your mother? Okay. Okay. 6 are given. Turn on your video, students. Be watchful. 6 point. First, we will attend to only 6. After that, I will clean the board, okay? See. Is he your father? Is he your father? Is he your dad? Is he your brother? Is he your friend? Is he your classmate? Is he? Here we are using is he in order to make a short sentences. Is he your father? Students, try to answer. Yes. Yes. Just think about, just think about, just think about it. Is he your father? What will be your answer? Are you getting answers? He is. Yes, he is. Okay. Is he your father? Is he your father? Is he your father? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Students, be careful. Now, look at number 2. Is he at home? Is he at home? Is he at home? We are learning S-type answers here. Yes. He is. Yes, he is at home. Yes, he is home. Yes, he is. Is he at home? Yes, he is. Learn yes type answer. Follow. Okay? Well, children, pay attention and try to follow. Look at number 3. Is he well? I'm just talking about your father. Is he well? Is he well? Is he okay? Is he all right? Is he good? Is he nice? Is he fine? Is he fit? I do not use question but. Okay. We are using is. Okay. Yes. Yes. He is well. He is well. Yes, he is. It's a very common, very simple. You can make your question and then give the answer. Okay. Comfortably, easily, effortlessly. Okay. Is he well? Yes, he is. Now, number 4, is he in? Is he in? Is he inside the room? Is he in? Means what? Is he at home? Is he in the room? Is he in the room? What will you answer? Yes. He is in. He's in. He's here. So simple. You may answer easily. Is he in? Yes, he is. Well, children. Is he? We are moving next. Is he at work? Is he at work? Is he at work? Is he at work? Yes. Yes. He is. Yes, he's at work. Yes, he's at work. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Can you get a similarity in answering yes? Yes, he is. See? No chances you can get in answering. See? Come back to the point. Relax, children. Now, here I have changed in place of he, she. She. Use this word for women or females. Are girls. Gender is different here. Feminine gender and he was masculine gender. You know, see. Use he for men are boys are males. You may use he for male, for men, for boys. And he, don't miss it, don't forget it. Use she for females are women are girls. Okay. You have already studied in English grammar. Okay, so simple. You are from class 4th standard. Class 4th or 4th standard. Okay, see. Come back to the point, is he your mother? Here we are talking about your father, no. Here we are talking about your mother. Is she your mother? Is she your mom? Is she your mother? Yes. She is. Okay. Students, sit still, sit properly, relax yourself, look at a board, see 1 to 6 points, short questions, and how to answer them. You will learn here. Okay? Is there any problem? I want to ask. Yeah? Is it clear? Just show. Is it clear? So all of you, show your finger, show your thumb, show your thumbnail, then, okay. Is there any doubt? Is there any problem? Those who are not showing, they are simply sitting. Okay. Anuj Kumar, I'm coming to you. Anuj?
Sir.
Anuj?
Yes, sir.
How are you, Anuj? Go and sit. Go and sit. Anuj, how are you? Anuj?
Sir, I am fine.
Okay.
Sir, I am fine.
Okay.
How about you?
I'm good, thank you. See here. 1 to 6. Look at here. Is he your father? Look at the answer. Look at that answer. Is there any problem, beta? Anuj? Just try to read that answer. Read aloud. Anuj, is he your father? Is he your father? Anuj, what happened? Anuj,
Yes, he is.
yes, he is. Anybody else have doubt? No.
No, sir.
Okay. See. Bit. Anshika?
Sir,
Yeah?
हमने लिखा हुआ is he in, तो उसका आंसर हम लोग yes he is के अलावा ये भी तो लिख सकते नहीं. Yes, he is in.
Yeah, so you just try to learn short answers in conversation. Okay? Yes, he is in. That's correct.
Yes.
But how to answer in short? Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
We are
Yes, sir.
learning.
Yes, sir.
Short question, then short answer. We are learning short together. Understanding?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, he is in. That's correct. That's right. Okay?
Yes.
And you will take care. Yes, he is. Okay. Mute yourself. Yashvardhan.
Yes.
Yashvardhan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yashvardhan. Look at number 5. Is he at work?
Yes, he is at work.
Yes, he is at work. Yes, he is. He's at work. Yes, he's at work. Getting? Are you getting better?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. If you have doubt, yes, you may ask. Okay. Turn on your video, students. Shiksha. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shiksha. Look at number 6. Is
Yes,
he
sir.
your mother? Is he your mom? Is he your mummy? I'm using she, not he. He was wrong. He was not correct. Always use
See.
she for
Says
females, women are girls.
see.
She. Is she your mother? Answer. Answer, beta. Shiksha. Hello. Is she your mother? Try to answer.
Says she is your mother.
She is your mother. There is no yes or no. You can't use yes or no. She is your mother. Is she your mother? She is your mother. You are answering like this. Shiksha,
Yes, sir.
is she your mother? Yes, she is
Yes, she
my
is.
mother.
Yes,
Yes, she
mother.
is.
She is my mother.
Don't forget yes or no.
Sir, yes, she is my mother.
Okay. Just try to follow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Now I'm going to give 6. Number 7. Is she at home? Is she at home? Is she okay? Is she at work? Is she there? Is she in? Is she out? See, here we are making our short questions about your mom, mother. Is she at home? Is she at home? Yes. Yes. She is. Means what you can say in other word, yes, she's at home. She's at home. Yes, she's at home. Yes, she is. Children, try to follow. What? Okay. Now, sit properly, turn on your videos, try to follow some important short questions along with their short answers. Look at number 8. Is she okay? Is your mom okay? I want to know about your mom. Yes. How to answer? How to get yes type answer? We will see on other side. Yes. She is okay. Yes, she is. Do you get any chances in answering? No, not at all. Right? Is she at work? That was another question. Is she at work? Is she at home? Sorry. But here I have used at work. Is she at work? Is she at work? Try to answer. Yes. She is. Yes. She is at work. Yes, she's at work. Yes, she is. Are you getting my words? My voice? Clearly? Yes, she is. Next is. Is she there? You are looking for your mom. Your mom is not here. You may ask this question regarding to that situation. Is she there? Is she there? Is she there? Yes. She is there. Yes, she is there. Yes, she's there. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Well, children, sit properly. Try to pay attention. Now, we will move next. We will move forward. Is she in? Is she in? This time, this is our question. Is she in? Yes. She is in. Yes. She is. Yes. She is. Yes, she is in. Yes, she's in. Yes, she's. She's. Yes, she's in. Yes, she is. Here we are learning yes type answers. And this side we are using is he and is she paternized structure. Okay, well children. Now, is, that is our next point. Is she out? Is she out? Is she out? Try to answer in yes. Is she out? Yes. Yes. She is out. Yes, she is out. Yes, she's out. Yes, she is. Well, children, try to follow all carefully. Any problem? Is there any problem? Is it clear? Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Just show. Is it clear? Turn on your videos. Students, I'm watching, beta. I'm watching Yashvardhan. Okay. Raj Tiwari, Anshika Singh, Roshan Giri. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? I want to ask finally, is it clear to everyone? Asutosh Kumar, Arya Veer Singh, Prachi Singh, Arush Singh, turn on your video, Samriddhi Singh. Is it clear, beta? No doubt at all? You don't have any doubt regarding today's topic? Okay. Avani Singh, I'm coming to you. Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your videos.
Yes, sir.
Avani, look at a board.
Yes, sir.
Look at number 7. What is this?
Is
Avani?
he at home?
Is
Is
she?
Is she at home?
Is she at home? Answer it.
Yes, she is at home.
Yes, she is at home.
She
Yes,
is
she
at
is
home.
at home. Yes,
She is at home. At home.
you may answer differently. You may answer differently. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything you want to ask from me? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay, thank you. Meet yourself. Now, Samriddhi, I am coming to you. Samriddhi Singh, please look at a board. Look at number 8.
Is she at home? Yes, she is.
Look at number 8.
Okay. Okay, sir. Is she okay?
Is
Yes,
she
she is.
okay? Is your mom okay? Is your mother okay? Are you getting questions?
Okay.